Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to autofill data in Excel Mobile. Please like and subscribe and let's get started. The way to use the autofill feature in the mobile version of Excel is slightly different from the desktop version. We are pulling not by the corner of the cell, but by the underside of the cell, namely by the thickened part of it. Now let's look at some examples. In cell A1 we have the number 1. If we pull on the bottom of the cell, we will simply copy the number 1 and paste it into all subsequent cells. If you need numbering, then Excel should understand the autofill template. Enter the number 2 in cell A2, then select the first and second cells. To do this, pull the lower right corner of the cell, and when two cells are highlighted, we use the autofill function. Hold your finger on the bottom of the selection area and drag it down to the cell you need numbering to. Autofill works with text just like regular copying. Even if you add the letter B to the second cell, Excel will not understand that you need an alphabetical sequence, but will simply copy these letters further. But if you add a number to the letter, then autofill is triggered from one cell. But there is data with which autofill works great without a template. These are formulas, dates, days of the week, and months. In cell C1 I have a simple formula. I combine the data from cells A1 and B1. We use autofill, and as you can see, the autofill worked perfectly. It also happens with date. The month and year are saved, but the day changes. With days of the week and month, everything is also logical and understandable. Any day of the week or month is enough, and autofill does all the work for us. And that's it. Now in Ultimo.